Hello Optimist people!
Hi Optimist people!
Hello Optimist people!
Hello Optimist people!
My name is Keisha and I am the Chief Executive Officer of the 17th Miss.
My name is Rian and I'm the Chief Marketing Officer.
My name is Jasir and I'm the Chief Financial Officer.
I'm Seifa Genia. I'm the Chief Operating Officer.
My name is Kyla and I am the Chief Creative Officer of the 17th Miss.
Management student, we believe in the importance of marketing. Marketing is essential in just about every industry. It is versatile and dynamic, continuously urging us to learn new things through the ever-changing trends and eras.
This is an international marketing conference, seminar, and training that offers all necessary updates and insights from the marketing world. We are the biggest annual marketing event held by university students in Indonesia.
Professional,
creative,
and collaboration.
We believe those are the three main pillars in the marketing world.
And that is why our values are provision. We ensure professionalism, we thrive in creativity, and we believe in the power of collaboration and diversity. Here at MIST, we want to continuously bring positive impact, to develop the soft skills of our committees by expanding the ability to operate in a fully digital environment, develop cognitive skills to push forward curiosity and critical thinking, and strengthen the social and emotional skills to ensure an effective collaboration.
This is definitely the right platform for you to gain insights in the marketing and have fun in the process.
So what are you waiting for?
Join us!
Join us!
Join us
And be a part of the new wave
of optimism.
Miss Optimist!